Bonjour. Bonjour. Hi, and welcome to another chapter in our story. Our story goes about moving to rural France, to a homestead where we are going to live a more self-sustainable lifestyle. We have lived in a beautiful old house from around 1910 in the Netherlands that we have sold earlier this year. You can watch our moving day video in our playlist. Another chapter of our journey to our homestead in France is our in-between house. It is a renting house in the south of the Netherlands. It is also an old house, cozy, too much space for the few items we took with us, because most of our household items are in storage and will later be taken to France by the moving company. But anyways, we will make it cozy. It was early June that we moved into our rental house. Still some cleaning and some small repairs here and there, and some tidying up in the backyard garden. And between all the work, we did our first lunch together in the renting house. The previous people had solar panels on the roof and there was a leak. Sorry for talking in Dutch now, I didn't know back then that we would make an English channel. You can go along with pictures or with translation.
Zeg dan. Huh? Oh, ik wil het vertellen. Ja? Ja, we zijn al bijna verhuisd. Maar we moeten nog een beetje wat. We moeten nog een bank. En wat moeten we nog meer? De diepvries. En de katten toren. En de stoel. En de bed. En de computers. Het is nog heel veel dingen. Maar we hebben wel al een bestekblok. Die hebben we wel al. En wat nog meer? Wat nog meer? Borden. En vandaag is het niet zo heel mooi weer. Want ik was eigenlijk in de tuin bezig. Maar het is toch een beetje te slecht weer. Wow. Deze, zo. Maar we hebben wel een zitje al hier, dus we kunnen lekker in de overkapping zitten. Dus dan valt dat dan wel weer mee, ja? Toch?
Zo is dat.
Ja, zo is dat. De plantjes doen het al goed. Dus.
And having a new house, it's a new experience for the cats. We let them get used to the house together so they could explore it. Noelle, the large brown tabby sphinx, is the male and is always very curious. Izzy, the lady cat, is always waiting to see what happens. We have so many rooms, we don't even have enough stuff to furnish everything. And the attic remains completely empty, where the cats can play and enjoy the view, as this will be our place to stay for only a couple of months. They got used to it very well, with their own blankets and baskets to sleep in. They don't know any better that they are in another house. And time to watch a movie. While I take care of the garden a bit and Izzy goes exploring, we spend the summer enjoying the little garden, growing some vegetables in buckets, did a barbecue night and just leaving the hustle and bustle of selling our house behind us. Oh yes, and we are both musicians, and we lived in the renting house for less than 2 days, and we were already on the outdoor theater where we could almost walk to. It was a great experience to play there. Meanwhile, we had some awesome gigs in the summer, something we will continue to do, even though we live in France. If you want to know more about our band, there's a link in the description, and let me know if you like it. And the moment of finally getting rid of our mortgage feels very good. So we celebrated the moment of final signing with some champagne. But we have even bigger news. Between the chores and making music, we went to France again looking for houses. And we can tell you that we have found our homestead. We are really super happy that now everything seems to be going well. We are now waiting for the notary in France to arrange everything, and if all goes well, we will sign for the keys to our homestead in France this year. So stay tuned for revealing our house in a future video. Don't miss it, subscribe to our channel to get the update. Did you like this video? Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. Till next time, au revoir!